Hello everyone! So if you want to upload music to your Xiaomi Watch S3 and transfer songs from your phone to your watch, first of all open up your Mi Fitness application. Make sure that you're connected to it. Press Device right here at the bottom and now scroll down to your apps and choose your music. Press Manage Music. Now at the top right corner locate this melody icon, tap on it, and here you are to choose a music which is located on your phone. So choose a song, press a check mark at the top right corner, press Got It, and wait a few seconds before it's getting added. Alright, it was imported successfully, press View. Now grab your watch, turn on the screen by tapping on the top button. Now swipe to the left, tap on this player icon. Alright, now we need to grant some permissions. Let's do this. So to do that, open up your Xiaomi Mi Fit device, apps, music, and make sure that the switch is turned on. Now, once again, press your top button, locate your player, so swipe to the left, tap here, tap on the three dots, choose music source, press watch, and now you can play music directly from your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.